Talking in my sleep at night, making myself crazy. Out of my mind, out of my mind. He makes it feel like nobody else but mine.
I did my foundation off camera and I'm using the Maybelline 24 Hour Superstay foundation, so we're just gonna head straight into the eyebrows and gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. To do my eyebrows, I'm using the Essence brow powder, and for today's look I'm not too worried about giving it a perfect shape. I'm going for the more bushy sort of look, and I also haven't waxed my eyebrows in a while, so you know my eyebrows are really working with this look. Basically just filling in my eyebrows and making them just a little bit darker. Now I'm going in with my L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Plumper, and I'm just gelling all my eyebrow hairs in an upwards motion.
Out of my mind, out of my mind. Wrote it down and read it.
Moving on to the eyes, I'm using my NYX eyeshadow base as a primer, and I'm just smudging that all over my eyelids.
He makes it feel like nobody else.
For today's eyeshadow look, I'm just going to be using the Kat Von D Metal Matte eyeshadow palette, and I want to start off with the color Bone just to set the cream eyeshadow base on my eyes. Now I'm taking the color Okkk and I'm just blending that in my crease. I didn't realize how dark it was, but you know what, we're just going to work with it and blend it out, because by the end of this eyeshadow look, we're not even going to be seeing that color. Now for the fun part, guys, I'm taking this matte blue eyeshadow and I'm placing it all over my lids. I sort of look like I'm going crazy, but you know, you can sort of go crazy with this. So right now I'm just packing on the blue color, and once that's all done, we're gonna go ahead and blend out all the edges. Now I'm just going back in with the matte blue eyeshadow color, and I'm just concentrating that on my lids to intensify the color. Next up, I'm taking the color Ignite. So it's just like a really pretty light blue shimmery color, and I'm just putting that right on the edges of where my eyeshadow stopped, like right below my brow bone, and then we're just gonna blend it all out. Now I'm taking the dark shimmery shade, which is literally destroyed on my eyeshadow palette, and I'm just placing that on my lids.
Now I'm standing back from it, I finally see the path.
Now I'm taking my Lancome black eyeliner and I'm just going to tight line my upper waterline. So for today's makeup look, I decided to not wear any falsies, because in Dua Lipa's photo that she took, I'm pretty sure she was just wearing mascara. So I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline New York Colossal Big Shot Mascara. Now for concealer, I'm taking my Maybelline New York Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and this was my first time using it, so I'm not too sure how I feel about it yet. To set the concealer, I'm using my Rimmel London Match Perfection Silky Loose Face Powder. Also for the bottom of my eyes, I'm going to go back in with the dark blue matte shade. Now I'm going to go in with the color Tinsel, so it's just a silver color, and I'm going to put that in my inner corners. To brighten up my look, I'm taking my Revlon eye pencil in the shade Matte Marine, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. Now I'm taking my MAC Soft and Gentle, and I'm going to be highlighting my brow bones. To bronze up my face, I'm using my Rimmel London Match Perfection bronzer, and I'm not putting too much of this on, but just enough to give myself a little bit of a glow. For blush, I'm using the color Fortunate, so it's like a corally color, and I'm going to put that on my cheekbones as well as blended upwards with my bronzer. To highlight, I'm using my Essence So Glow Cream to Powder highlighter, and I'm just going to put that on all the high points of my face. To go over the cream highlighter, I'm taking the color Whimsical from the Tarte Blush palette, and I'm just going to put it on top of the cream highlighter to intensify the look. Moving on to the lips, I'm using this corally orange color from Revlon. I'm just putting a bit on my lips, and after I'm going in with my Rimmel London Oh My Gloss lip gloss, and to finish off the look I'm just using my All Nighter Urban Decay setting spray. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!